nurse in Thailand have a cool have อะไรนะมี
The weather is cool.
is in nurse
Where?
nurse sound nurse นี่คืออะไร
เหนือ south north
South north.
south north
nurse
In Manila.
in Thailand
Oh,
Thailand
in Chiang Mai and Chiang Rai เชียง
แม่ฮ่องสอน
แม่ฮ่องสอน
Wait, is Chiang Mai further north?
Yeah.
not
Yes,
Thailand
there's Chiang Mai.
Yes. In mountain,
Yes.
many cold.
Oh, it's cold. And not usually cold. Oh. Yeah, the weather is just different.
In Bangkok and nurse different.
ไม่รู้
That kind of in Bangkok, how many year not cold.
Not cold.
Have two seasons, raining and hot. in Bangkok.
in Bangkok also very hot
Yes, I know. I think this is hot.
Oh, not
It's humid, but it's cool also. You know, I have to adjust to this weather. Yeah. Well, now it's getting to be spring. We just had winter at December. So April, May, spring. It can still be cool where I am. I mean cold. I'm wearing long ones. Yeah. And sweaters. Yeah. If I was home now, I think I would be wearing sweaters, jackets. Yeah. So I like this. It's nice.
Thailand สักฤดู
three seasons in
Hot.
Thailand.
hot
Rain
rain
and hot.
today
ไม่หรอกแต่ที่ทางเหนือไม่ทางเหนือนี่ตลอดเลย in the south
many people in Asia don't like cold
14ก็จะหนาว
I know because you were so used to hot.
yeah
about to rain today.
It's pretty late. Where were we? Molly, we're actually going just over a couple of pages.
Before.
We'll do these 16 and 17 because they were here yesterday.
it's 12
Yeah, we go to 16. Yeah, we're doing that because they weren't here yesterday.
Seven.
So
หมาย
cut
เรียน
it.
ถึง17
Cut
ให้
it.
ให้อ่าน
Seven. You.
So number 7. Cot, would you read that please?
number
7 for Cot will read. Thank you.
7
7.
Get me a hammer from the kitchen, will you? Get me a nail from the kitchen, will you? Get me a ruler from the kitchen, will you? Get me a tape measure from the kitchen, will you?
Yeah. Get me a tape measure from the kitchen, will you? Now you know what a ruler is. You know what a ruler is? It's a tape measure. You know I showed you a tape measure, didn't I? Oh, here. This is my tape measure. It's my tape measure. But a ruler is hard. It's a foot long, 12 inches. And you take your ruler. I don't know this gentleman. Morning. Morning. Morning.
30 centimeter per foot
Morning. My name is Ilona, and yours is?
My name is Sue. Nice to meet you.
And you too. Thank you. Is this your first time here?
No,
Oh.
long time, but I cannot come every day.
Oh.
So
Do you think
someday
maybe?
I can come?
Do you think maybe if you've been a long time that Patricia Pat,
That's okay.
Patricia,
Too far.
Patricia, teacher Patricia?
Too far, teacher. I can.
Oh, she's too
cannot
fast. Oh, I see. Okay. And good morning. And your name is
My name is Janta.
Janta. And do you have a name tag?
Name change. Name.
มีตู้อ่ะ
ที่ชื่ออะไรนะตัวทูน
อยู่ไหน
Oh yes. Okay, do you have book 3?
มีไหม
มีแบบ
โน้
สาม
ไม่มี
Yeah, you go.
Here we go.
You can go get.
เอ้ย
Oh,
ไม่ได้เรียนห้องนั้นอ่ะ
let me write it
ออก
down.
มาเรียนห้อง
ไอ้
เด็ก
ที่
มา
พ่อ
เรียน
พ่อ
ห้องนั้นเร็วมากเลยตุ๊ดพูดเร็ว
So my name is Ilona.
มีสาระ
ที่ไหนไม่มีสาร
Ilona. And your name is?
จันทรา
How do you spell it?
C
John.
จันทา
แบบนั้น
G
ก็ได้
U N
no no
no
จันทาจันทา
ได้ไหม
John.
C C
C
CH
C
Oh
H
CH A N
C H A
Like cot. Like cot is C.
Yes. C H
Chanta.
Chanta.
Ah.
C H N C H A
A
N
T
That's
H
it.
T H A
G H
T H
G H A
T
I have to see it.
Yeah.
Chanta.
Chanta.
I have to see it in writing. And other this lady, what was her name?
Sue.
Sue
H U.
Sue S U S U A U
Morning,
Sue.
Sophie.
Sue.
Well, how are you?
S U E
S-U-E.
Sue Sue
Ah,
ใช่เหรอ เจ้าของมาไม่ถูกเลย
Sue. Okay. Okay. So Sue's going to be here. That is Chanta.
yes
And Kot and Sophie and Prayong and Mali and Ilona. Ilona, you might need to pay me back.
I don't
Yeah.
ที่จำได้ไหมชื่อพี่อะ
ฮะพระ
I
เจ้า
should know your name today.
Oh, first time?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. You should know my name.
อันนู้นนะ
Yeah. Okay, so she's getting some books.
มีบอก
Would you be comfortable? I think Prayong, if we go to page, we move on. I think you will be.
เรื่องที่
แต่ยังอยู่เมืองไทยอยู่
56แล้ว
What wait a minute, what good number, what will be on yesterday?
ปิดเทอม
12
Yesterday, we finished it.
เมื่อวานอ่าน
We were on 20, yesterday, were we on 26?
16.
Sophie, do you remember?
มีแล้ว
Oh, thank you, thank you.
ขอบคุณมาก
I think we were,
จะบอกว่า
คงจะเรียนหน้าไหน
เริ่มต้นหรือยัง
26?
96
I think situation drills.
อีกนะทองจริงทองจริงเนี่ยไปแบบ
Yeah.
ดนตรี
Marley, is that when we were yesterday? We finished yesterday?
Yesterday we did 27
We did 27. Okay, so we are supposed to go to 28?
yes
Okay.
28.
Yeah.
หน้า
Why
8
don't go to 26?
You,
28.
yeah. Listen, let's go to 26 because I think it wouldn't hurt to do that again. 26.
yes
26. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
number 1
number one อีกทีหนึงนะ
Yeah, situation drills.
เฮล
Okay, I'm going to have, let's see, Marley, you start doing number 1, please,
yes
and follow along. 26, page 26.
yes thank you
Okay, welcome. Okay.
number 1 excuse me can you help me excuse me could you help me
Yeah, so there's 2 ways you can ask somebody to help you. And I go to somebody on the street, I say, can you help me to get to the Grand Palace? Could you show me how to get to the Grand Palace? So you can say, can you or could you? Okay. Number 2 for Sue.
number two can you tell me where it says Princess Tea is Can you tell me where the restaurant is? Can you tell me where the post office is? Can you tell me where the airport is? Can you tell me where the railway station is?
Okay, does everybody understand those places?
Prestige.
Let's
ถนนนะถนน
The railway station?
อ๋อ
Railway station, yeah.
โอเค
The train go.
At
The train go. The railway on the train on the.
อันนี้รถไฟข้างล่าง
สถานีรถไฟ
You're on 3.
ไป
Right, yeah. Any other words you don't know?
No.
Ah, very good, very good. Number 3?
The post office is how
Nowhere.
no way. The post office is no way here. The post office 2 miles away from here. The post office is on the other side of the road.
Okay. Chanta.
Number 4.
Which way is this to the theater?
Uh-huh.
Do you know? Which way is this to the post office? Do you know? Which way is this to the university? Do you know? Which way is this to the bank? Do you know? Which way is this to the church? Do you know?
Good reading. Did you understand all those words?
Yes.
Good. Got
เข้าใจขับอันไหนบ้าง
Turn right at the next crossroad. You can't miss it. Turn left at the next crossroads. You can't miss it. Go straight on. You can't miss it. Take the next turning on the right. You can't miss it. Take the next turn on the left. You can't miss it.
Right. Do you understand right and left?
Yeah.
Yes
Everybody? Good? Okay. Sophie?
Student.
Can you tell me how far it is to the university? Would you tell me how far is it to the university? Could you tell me how far
It's how far?
is it to the university? Could you tell me how far is it to the university? Would you mind telling him how far is it to the university?
How far it is to the university. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Molly 7.
is a long way from here to the university. It's a short distance from here to the university. It's short walk from here to the university. It's long drive from here to the university.
Yes. Any words are not understood?
Distance.
Short distance. Short distance.
Distance. Number 2.
Number 7.
A short distance?
Yeah.
Short distance.
Listen, present for, present for.
You ahead of me, my dear. Short distance, you mean?
Yeah.
Is that what you don't understand?
Yeah, don't understand.
Okay. Long way, okay, and short distance, not very far. Very close. Okay? It's sort of the opposite of long way. Long way from here to that building over there. Long way. From here to there to this window, short distance.
Distance.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, son.
Anything else?
Yeah.
Anything else? No?
Short distance, opposite. Opposite long way.
Yes, short distance is opposite of long way. Opposite, you know what opposite is?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so who's it now? Is it Sue?
The school is just round the corner.
Next corner.
Next corner.
Uh-huh.
The school is just down the next street.
Mhm.
The school is at the corner. The school is up there on the left.
On the left, yeah.
Left.
Yeah. So anything you don't understand? Everything understood?
Yeah, understood.
Okay. Okay. So, prayer.
The restaurant is across the road from the hotel. The restaurant is now the corner from the hotel. The restaurant is a mile from the hotel. The restaurant is a short walk from the hotel.
Yeah, you see a short walk or a short distance where we walk.
Can walk to.
Yeah, not far, short walk or a short distance. Yes, any other thing? Anything else?
Understood. Also understood.
Okay. Is it cart now? Who is it? No, it's. Is it cart or chata?
Chanta.
Do you happen to know Mr. Cooper's telephone number? Do you happen to know Mr. Cooper's address? Do you happen to know Mr. Cooper's profession?
Mhm.
Do you happen to know Mr. Cooper's age?
Mhm.
Do you happen to know Mr. Cooper's height and weight?
Mhm.
Do you happen to know Mr. Cooper's
Office?
office address?
Yeah. So everything there understood?
Profession.
Just a second. Question?
Manager.
Profession มืออาชีพไหม
Oh, profession.
Profession.
Profession is something that you do. A teacher is a profession, a doctor is a profession, a scientist, is a
Engineer.
an engineer is a professor.
Also for work.
Hmm?
Also for work.
What kind of work?
His position.
Yes, his kind of work, the kind of work that he does. And anything else? Yeah, profession.
จัดการผู้จัดการ
มันเป็นเหมือนมืออาชีพเป็น
เป็นมืออาชีพ
ผู้ชำนาญ
เขาบอกว่านะ
Everybody okay with that?
Yes.
Okay.
11. I don't have fun to know his address. I don't have fun to know her address.
Wait a second. Whose turn is it?
11 for me.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. Chanta and me.
Oh, I'm sorry. Could you do that again, please? I don't.
I don't have fun to know
Oh.
his address. I don't have fun to know her address. I don't have fun to know John's address.
Address. You know what address is?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Could you tell me where the nearest telephone? Could you tell me where the nearest hospital
Is.
is? Could you tell me where nearest laboratory
Laboratory is. Remember the word is on the end of the sentence. You know what it is? You know what laboratory is?
Sorry, repeat.
No problem. A laboratory is, I'm sorry?
Restroom.
Toilet.
Toilet.
Restroom. Yeah. Downstairs toilets. That's
Laboratory toilet
แต่ว่า
Laboratory is toilets.
ห้องน้ำเนี่ย
Yeah. Or restroom.
Lavatory.
Yes. Or bathroom. Yeah. Right. I will tell you, you are all a delight. You know what that means? No, you don't know what it means. You are all wonderful students. Wonderful.
Wonderful student. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
ใคร
Teacher,
Yes.
All student.
Our student wonderful
Yes.
only me
Good
Wonderful student.
Could you tell me where the nearest telephone is? Yes.
Lavatory.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
By the channel.
Where is it? Can you tell me where it is?
คืออยู่ที่ไหน
โอ้ยตัวเยอะ
กำ
แยะ
ลังหา
Yeah. Yeah. We need that is.
อยู่
I think it's Mali now. What number is it? It's 13.
Where the post office, should I go this way or that way? Where the university, should I go this way or that way? Where the bank, should I go this way or that way? Where the airport, should I go this way or that way?
Yeah. We could say where is, but instead we say where's.
Where's.
Yeah. Yeah. Everybody understand that?
Yes.
Okay.
Understood.
Go that way for 200 yards, then turn left.
Mhm.
Go that way for a few hundred yards, then turn left.
Mhm.
Go that way for around 2 miles,
About
then
Yeah. Around or about.
About.
Either one about. Uh-huh.
about ไม่ใช่ around
two miles
About.
Yes.
excuse me
ใส่แว่นหรอ
is
yeah, picture yards, 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 yards.
Yards. Okay.
Yards.
Okay. In a tape measure, with my tape measure,
ระยะเป็น
yeah, you get that's an inch.
เฮา
Then you get 12 inches.
เฮาชอบ
That's 1 foot. 1 foot.
1 foot
And then you get
2 foot
no, not 2 foot, 2 feet.
oh 2 feet
2 feet. Remember 2 feet. And then you get
เมตร
3 feet.
3 feet.
Isn't that 3 feet to a yard? A yard is 3 feet. That's 1 yard. When you buy material, they measure it like this, don't they? Yeah.
เมตร
1 yard.
วันยา
So that's a yard. It's a measurement.
ไทยเอาไหม
Yeah.
ครึ่งเมตร
ครึ่งเมตรไหม
When you buy material for a dress, you buy by the yards. But you use something else, don't you? You use centimeters and
45มันไม่ใช่เมตรวัน
100 and
วันอะไร
อันนี้เป็นอ๋อไม่ใช่
this is
This is
inches.
one
This
in
is
measure.
this is centimeters here.
เส้น
Centimeters. Yes.
This is
Yes.
yard.
Yes.
โอ้
Yes.
ใช่พอเมตรวันเมตรเมตร
Oh, meter. Meter. Okay, maybe so. I would have to look, you know. I
ป
would
ระมาณ
have to,
ประมาณใกล้ๆกัน
because we work in inches and feet and yards,
390
and you work in centimeters, meters.
เซนก็เลยล่ะ
หลานหลาน
เซน90 centimeter per
ใช่
นี่เบอร์นั่นบาลาใช่ไหมยา
Okay, so you understand yard now? You know what? In the back of your book, in the back, there's a thing called word index.
what's page
That is page 113.
ใช่มาก
words
113.
to book
113.
Yeah. It tells you that these words are in this book. And each word in the list is, there's the words able to, and then you have a sentence. Okay? And the number in the bracket, you know what brackets are? Brackets. Look, it shows you from which unit in which the sentence appears. So, here's able to, and a sentence and a to. That will be in Unit 2. We're in Unit 3 right now. So back in Unit 2 is where we got that sentence with able to. I can do it. So it explains a little bit more for you. The other thing too, excuse me, word index.
If you are able to
Yeah, that sentence I remember we did.
able to, I know.
I can do it.
Again.
Yeah, I can do it. I'm able to do it.
have
And
it.
then also, if we go to word index, then on page 125, we have,
125.
yes, look at 125.
Yes. 25.
125, it says key. That means it talks about Unit 1, which was, yes, see that? It was on page 9, Unit 1, wasn't it? And the words listed were in there, like 25 pounds. Gives you all the words, so that's good practice. That's very good practice, and if you don't understand, you can go back into the book, to the key, or to, you think that'll help you a bit?
ทำไม่ได้ก็ให้เปิดดู
Is that understood by you? Do you understand?
yes
So you can go back here and look at Unit 1, and all of this was in Unit 1. It'll help you practice if you want to do that at home. Okay. And then of course this word index. It shows you how to use the word in the sentence. My arm aches. My arm does ache today. You know what ache? It hurts. Yeah. I don't know if it was I slept on it or what I did, but it just aches. When I walk, I swing my arm, it aches. So, all right. So let's, pardon? Where are you?
Approximately. Approximately.
Oh, approximately. You want to know what that is?
I don't know.
Okay. Approximately, about, what is the temperature today? Do you know?
Temperature today.
Today is cool.
It's cool,
Yeah.
but there's a number. I want a number. Do you know the number?
เน้น
Number
เน้นถามอะไรนะ
Celsius?
Celsius about
Approximately. Yeah.
approximately, okay.
Good job. Yes. Okay, so back to
27.
Thank you.
77.
Mm-hmm. We'll go back to 27. Yes. You don't understand. Okay, you see, this is Unit 2. Unit 2 is over here. See, oops.
ใจเย็นๆทำนี้ก็ได้
Here's Unit 2.
ใช่ป่ะ
Okay. This will be Unit 8. We're not there yet. This is Unit 3. And we're in Unit 3 now, aren't we? Yeah, we're in Unit 3. We're in 3, but on 27. Yeah, that's at Unit 2. Okay, so Unit 3 is 27. This is Unit 3 now. We're here. This is where we are. Okay. So when you're at home, you can look. You can look at this, and you can go back here and seeing a word might help you in the sentence. But it's a good way to do it. Okay, so 27. Where were we? Whose turn was it last?
Right.
Yours, Crayon, what
Yes.
number was it?
30.
How much?
15.
15.
15.
Oh, 15.
15, no?
15.
เมื่อกี้
Okay.
มัน200อย่างเลย
Wait, just wait for.
Excuse me.
Did you find it, Sue? Are you finding Sue?
15. It keeps, it